Well, hello everyone. My name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome, and welcome if you are new. I am so happy that you have all stopped by my channel. Very appreciative. Today is Saturday and I am doing some cleaning. So this is some cleaning motivation for everybody who cleans up on Saturdays. My kids, they're grown now, of course, but they used to tease me because when they were young, elementary, junior high, Saturday morning, I would have them all up and I said, before you do anything, you got to straighten up. And so, I hope that they do that for their own homes, which I'm sure they do. Well, one of them has a cleaning service, so she ahead of the game. I don't have a cleaning service. I'm the cleaning service, okay? I don't know about y'all, but I'm the cleaning service here. Then on top of that, I'm living here with men, little men, big men. So y'all know, don't y'all feel sorry for me? Because y'all know I'm the one who really does most of the cleaning. And while they appreciate it, and I'm not saying that they don't clean up, but they leave stuff around. They leave stuff around. As much as I clean up, y'all, they just keep leaving stuff around. So this is some cleaning motivation. And look, I don't know about y'all. Just tell me if this happens to you guys. Like, I try to get them to do certain things. Like, for example, my husband wanted to have a pencil sharpener over here. I'm like, why can't you put the pencil sharpener? You got an office space. Why don't you put it upstairs? Oh, I want it down here. So look, again, let me just say this. We have to respect the people that we live with. So I'm like, I ain't gonna argue about no pencil sharpener. So the pencil sharpener is over there. So I'm doing the best I can, y'all. I'm doing the best I can. So this is some cleaning motivation. This is a collaboration. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The name of her other channel is Simply Grace Lifestyle, and Sonia Down South. You have to stop by these ladies' channels. They both have some awesome content. So I'm gonna give you a pan around. Like, I'm just doing this room today. I think on the last cleaning motivation, I did a different space. I'm just doing this kitchen today. I'm gonna clean off these countertops, put these dishes in the dishwasher, sweep and mop this floor. Now I'm gonna water my plants, clean off the glass table. And so I'm gonna get some stuff done in this space here. All right, guys, so here is the pencil sharpener. Now he has moved it out even further, okay? And now this is my bad over here. These are the drills because I'm still not done, guys. I'm moving like a turtle with these with this cabinet hardware. We did them down here. So this side is done, the vertical ones. The drawers, still not done. I just, everything is time consuming and I'm busy. Haven't done those. So, so the drills, that's my bad, okay? Because I left those out because, I'm still planning to work on them. Maybe I'll do a little tomorrow. Gotta clean up over here. Okay, gotta clean up this area. Now over here, I'm gonna have to get some type of little, maybe like a wicker, some type of little wicker basket to contain this meal. Over here on my island, those are my cleaning products back there. I'm drinking the this plant-based superfood drink. You know, I got these at Costco. I featured them on a foodie grocery haul. They are really super good. This flavor is chocolate. I like it, but you know, gives you all your protein. So that's mine. But they, you know, snacks out, glasses out. They leave, nobody's done the dishes. I guess I'm the dishwasher, so I'm gonna have to do them. And then this kind of stuff is out. A little sock, you know, just stuff. Just stuff is like kind of like left around. clean up?
Not right now.
See, y'all see what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about, you guys? You want a photo about my cleaning video? You in it?
Not cleaning up nothing. Well, I guess in the midst, I might as well just add some things here. And I'll put that there. I'll just dump whatever's in my pockets.
Y'all, you see what I'm talking about?
Take this off. I'll find some more stuff to junk
He
up.
just came back from running. Y'all see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, you gotta add a little twist to the video, you know? Gotta add a little twist. Why is it so dark? You gotta turn your brightness up on here.
No.
You gotta open the window. I keep telling her she has to open the blinds up. How you gonna do a video? It's no light in here.
Yes,
There's no.
is.
Tell her about the
Yes,
lighting,
it
y'all.
is.
Tell her about the lighting.
Yes,
She
it
doesn't know.
is.
She needs to know. This is Dracula floating around in here.
No. It's how bright can it be in here? Then
Brighter.
you can't see anything.
Brighter. It can be brighter.
You
Much
just
brighter.
came in from outside. You should have plenty of brightness in your life.
That's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm saying my pupils had to, they dilated. I don't know what is it when there's no light?
I don't know.